In this activity, we will demonstrate how the frequency and pitch of a sound produced depends on the length of the wire. We all know that sounds are produced when matter vibrates. The music of a drum is produced when the drum head vibrates back and forth. A person's voice is produced when the vocal cords vibrate. For this activity, we need a box with a rubber band tied around it and two pens. Put both the pens beneath the bands at some distance. Now plug the band and hear the pitch. It is sharp and high pitch. Now increase the distance between the pens to increase the length of the vibrating band. Pluck it and hear the pitch. You will notice a difference in the nature of sound produced as we increase the length of the string. The frequency of a sound and pitch depends on the length of the wire used. The more the length of the wire, lower is the frequency of the sound produced, and so we get a low pitch.